If you drive a Jeep TJ, you know those seats take a beating. Mud, sun, rain, dogs, you name it. Seat covers aren't just for looks. They protect your ride from wear, stains, and the elements while keeping things comfy. In this video, we're checking out the best seat covers for Jeep TJ. All links are in the video description below, so let's roll. Starting strong with diver down seat covers, these are like custom-tailored wetsuits for your Wrangler TJ. All right, here's a quick customer review.
Hi, this is Deanne, and I'm sharing these new seat covers my friend just put in their Jeep. And you order them for your year, your model, and they come in a couple different colors. They got the front seat and the back seat. Wasn't too hard to install. I'm going to take my camera off now, give you a good view there. In fact, let me turn this around. Okay, here we are. They look great. Pretty nice. That's the front seat, and they also did the back seat. And I don't know how to open it up, but sure looks great. And this is just a beat-up Jeep. And looks really nice now. Okay, so it's amazing all the things you can get. So, I didn't take them too long. Kathy did it. All right.
Next up, GEARFLAG neoprene seat covers. Built from genuine wetsuit grade material, these things are waterproof, dirt-proof, and trail-ready. Jeep owners rave about their snug, glove-like fit that doesn't slide or bunch, even on rough rides. They're thermally resistant, so your seats stay cool in summer and warm in winter. And when the adventure gets messy, just wipe them down. No drama, no fuss. Installation's quick, and those rear map pockets come in clutch for small storage. Finally, the heavy hitter. Rough Country neoprene seat covers. Want to know if it's worth it? Here's what a real user says.
All right, guys, I want to show you the Rough Country seat covers that we put on this 2000 TJ Jeep. You can see this rear seat. We've got it on here. It looks really good. It makes the seat look brand new, which this is a 2000 model Jeep. It's 25 years old. And before we put these seat covers on, it looked like a 25-year-old Jeep. They're easy to put on and look great. They're easy to clean. They feel good. Honestly, like good quality, great looking, great feeling seat covers, easy to install. I love them. My kids love them. My wife loves them. And I think you're going to love them as well.
All right, folks, that wraps up our rundown of the best seat covers for Jeep TJ. Whether you want a quick install like Diver Down, rugged waterproofing like GEARFLAG, or bulletproof durability like Rough Country, each one's a winner in its own lane. Check out the links in the video description for prices and availability. And hey, if you found this review helpful, hit that subscribe button and join our crew for more Jeep gear reviews and off-road essentials. Stay wild out there, Jeep fam!